Hello, hello, and welcome to Getting Jazz with Miss Jessica. Today's episode, we will be talking all about skincare. Before you can put on any application of makeup, you have to make sure that your skin is clean and fresh. In order to make sure that your skin is nice and fresh, you have to make sure that you clean it thoroughly, and that includes cleaning out your pores. Me, myself personally, I have I have a combination of both skin, which is dry as well as oily. And sometimes my skin will peel in certain areas, and sometimes it'll be oily in certain areas. So, I also have kind of sensitive skin, so I try to make all natural products. If you keep watching all my videos, I will be showing you all how to make some skincare products as well. So today, since we're talking about skincare, I will show you one of the products that I use to clean my pores really well. And that would be my Rose face scrub. It's made with all natural ingredients, which is sugar, dried roses, and vitamin E oil, and other ingredients as well that helps aid with different properties of your face. Roses is very good for pigmentation. It helps decrease the oil in your face, and it's also an anti-inflammatory. So it reduces redness, and it also, the sugar gets down into your pores and unclogs all of that dirt. So we're gonna go in with our face scrub, and then we're going to go in with a face wash of your choice, and then we're gonna go in with the moisturizer, and then you will see the glow in our skin, and now you're ready for makeup. So before we do our application of makeup, like I said, this is a time where you will be getting your face clean and scrubbing away that dead skin and getting deep into those pores. And today, like I said, I'll be using my Rose Sugar Scrub for my face. So what you would do, you can use any type of scrub that you want. Me personally, I like roses because my skin, I turn red easily. Any type of anything, my face turns red. So the roses help with redness. So what you would start doing before you apply your scrub, you just damp your skin with warm water. You take your sugar scrub in your hand, rub it in. And I make sure that I hit the areas where I peel the most, which is around my nose and on my forehead. Make sure you rub it in a circular motion. And after that, we're going to rinse it off, and I'll be back. Now that you have completed your sugar scrub, you should now go in with a good facial wash that's good for your type skin, and go in and do a deep cleanse. So this is the second step. After you do your sugar scrub, now it's time to actually clean your skin. Now, after you completed step 2, which is washing your face with your cleanser, go in now with a toner of your choice. Me personally, I use witch hazel. And usually people, when they do their toner, they use a cotton ball or a face pad. Me, I like to use my hands because when you do the face pad, you normally just get in the normal areas that we always go to. But when you do it directly with your hands, you're able to actually get everywhere. And make sure that you target the areas that you normally don't go, which is around your forehead, around your nose, under your chin. And when you rub, do it in an upward position. Because when you go down, that drags your face. And that causes wrinkles. So go in the upward motion. Now that your face has been fully washed and moisturized and all of that good stuff, now you cannot forget your lips. If you do your face scrub on your face, you gotta do a scrub on your lips. Me, I love natural products. So majority of the items that I use have been made by me. So my lip scrub here is watermelon, scented and flavored. It's all natural. So if I want to eat it, I can. But I'm not going to do that because who wants to eat dry skin off of their lips? Not me. So for this step, all you do is, hold on, you guys. I have a lip brush and I have my scrub. I rub it across with my brush that has been cleaned and sanitized and all that, like that. Then you're just gonna use it like a toothbrush. Okay. Now, we're gonna wash this off. So I'll be right back. I am dead skin free. So now that I've did that, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer and I'm gonna moisturize my entire face, including my lips. And like I say, always rub in the upward position because when you rub down, it drags your face. And you do not want wrinkles. And now I feel like refreshed and new. Also, after you did your lip scrub, you go in with a lip balm of your choice. It smells like vanilla. And fresh face. Everything is clean. My pores are open. I could actually be done with my makeup. I can go natural, bare face. My skin is conditioned, it's moisturized. This is perfect. This is beautiful skin here. Makeup is, if you want to add makeup, you're ready to go. So now, after you have washed your face, you have did your face scrub, you have did all of that, your face has now been prepped for makeup. So what you would do now, what I always do, is go in with a little rose water spritz. And again, the rose water helps with pigmentation. It helps with dry skin. It also helps with redness, to get rid of redness, and gives you a nice fresh feeling. So the very first step that I would do when I'm getting ready for makeup, again, is the rose water mist. Then I will go in with my eyebrows. A lot of people do their eyebrows with pencils. Some do it with gel. Some do it with liner. It's preferably, it's your choice. I like to use pomade and because it gives a very natural look. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. You see how they are now? I'm gonna just go in and fill them in. I use this little angle brush. And I just fill in where necessary. And when it comes to doing your brows, it is very important to make sure that you have the right color. Lighter skinned people would need a lighter color brow gel or pencil. Darker color would need a darker color pencil. And as you can see now, you can see the difference. This is the one that I filled in, and this is the one that hasn't been touched. So you can really see a big difference. So now I'm going to work on my left eye. And also, whenever you're doing your eyebrows, always remember your eyebrows, they'll never be twins. However, they can be sisters, which means they can look similar, but they will never look the same. And it's okay if they don't look the same. Okay. And those are my brows. They're not the best, but they're great still. So now that you have filled in your brows, now it's time to go in and put a little concealer underneath just to clean them up. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm just going to dab a little underneath each eye. When you're picking out concealer, you want to go about 2 shades down. And so I'm going to use my my sponge to pat out the foundation, the concealer underneath to blend it in. And I'm going to spray it with a little rose water, which helps with moving the concealer. And you're just going to dab. And now my brows are complete. So now after I've completed my brows and everything is how I want it, now I can go in and start with my eyeshadow. However, today, this is step 1, the brows. You got that down pat. Practice on that for the rest of this month. Practice on that. And join me next month, the first Friday of every month. And we're going to work on our next step, which would be our eyeshadow. We will be doing quick and easy looks, makeup looks for college students, for teenagers, something that you can do really quick and still make it to class in time and still be cute quickly. So I'll be leaving my email below. If you have any questions or any topics that you would like to cover or that you would like to see me cover or do, let me know in my email and I'll be sure to look at them and I will try my best to get to everyone. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you for the next video. Bye, and thank you for getting jazz with me.